Welcome back to Luma English Studio. Hello, everyone! Welcome back to Luma English Studio. I'm Luma.
And I'm Jack. Hey, everyone.
Okay, Jack, quick question. What did you do last night?
Honestly, I sat down to watch one video. Just one.
And?
3 hours later, I was watching a man teach his cat to open a fridge.
A cat opening a fridge.
It was very educational.
Jack, that is exactly what today's episode is about.
Wasting time?
Wasting your life.
Ouch, that sounds serious.
It is serious, but don't worry. We're going to make it fun, simple, and very honest today.
Very honest? I'm a little scared.
You should be. Let's go. Okay, let's start with something real.
Real? I like real.
Last year, I wasted 3 months.
3 months?
3 months! I had a goal. I wanted to improve my teaching. I wanted to make better lessons for my students.
Okay, that sounds good.
But every day I said, I'll start tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, tomorrow, tomorrow. And then one day, I looked at the calendar and 3 months had passed.
And you hadn't started.
Nothing. 0. 3 months? Gone.
How did that feel?
Terrible. Really terrible. Because time doesn't wait for you.
It just keeps moving.
It doesn't care if you're ready. It doesn't care if you're scared. It just moves. That's actually a little scary. Here's the thing, everyone. Time is the only thing in life you cannot get back.
Money, you lose it, you earn more.
Health, sometimes you can fix it.
Friends, you can make new ones.
But time, 1 hour gone is gone forever.
Forever. No refund, no replay.
No replay. And that is why today's topic matters so much.
So, what does waste mean? Let's teach that first.
Waste means you use something badly. You get nothing good from it.
Like wasting food. You cook it, you don't eat it, you throw it away.
Exactly. Wasting time is the same. You have 1 hour, you use it for nothing, it's gone.
The word is waste. Say it with us. Waste.
I waste time.
Don't waste your time.
I wasted 3 months. That was me.
But not anymore, right, Luma?
Not anymore. Here's the scary part. Most people don't know they are wasting time.
They don't feel it happening.
It's like this. You sit down, you open your phone, just for 1 minute.
Just 1 minute.
And then 1 video, another video, a comment, a photo, a news story.
And suddenly,
45 minutes are gone.
and you didn't even enjoy it.
That's the worst part. You didn't even have fun. You just scrolled.
Scrolled. That's our word. Scroll means you move your finger up and down on your phone screen.
I scroll on Instagram. I scroll for hours.
Scrolling is not always bad, but mindless scrolling?
Mindless means without thinking.
Mindless scrolling is one of the biggest time wasters today.
I have a friend, smart girl, hardworking.
Okay.
She told me, Luma, I don't have time to exercise. I don't have time to read. I'm always busy.
Always busy.
Then one day, she checked her phone's screen time.
Screen time shows you how many hours you use your phone every day.
4.5 hours every single day. 4.5 hours. She was shocked. She told me, I had the time. I just didn't see it. She had the time. She just didn't see it. That hit me so hard when she said that. Me too, because I think a lot of us are the same. We say, I have no time, but what we really mean is, I am not using my time well.
That's honest.
really honest. Check your screen time tonight, everyone. Just check. Don't judge yourself. Just know the number. Knowledge is the first step.
Okay, there is one phrase, one small phrase that has destroyed more dreams than anything else.
One phrase?
One phrase.
What is it?
I'll do it later.
Oh no.
I'll study English later. I'll start exercising later. I'll follow my dream later.
Later, later, later.
Later is a very comfortable word.
It feels safe. Like, I'm not saying no, I'm just saying not now.
But later is a lie.
Wow.
Think about it. When is later? What time is later?
There's no time called later.
Exactly. Later means never. Most of the time.
That hurts, but it's true.
I used to say later all the time. And you know what later gave me?
What?
Regret.
Regret. Regret means you feel bad about something you didn't do.
I regret not starting sooner. I regret saying later too many times.
So, what's the fix?
The fix is one word. Now.
Now?
Not perfect. Not ready. Not tomorrow. Now.
Start small. Start messy. But start now.
Even 5 minutes right now is better than one perfect hour later.
Start now, start small. That is the only rule.
Write that down, everyone. Okay, real tips. Simple ones that actually work.
Tip 1. Make a tiny plan every morning.
Tiny, not big, not today I will change my whole life.
Just 3 things. 3 small things you want to do today.
When I started doing this, everything changed.
Really?
Because before, I woke up, I opened my phone, and suddenly 2 hours were gone.
The phone got you before you even started your day.
Exactly. But when I write 3 things first, I have direction.
Direction. You know where you're going.
And when you know where you're going, you waste less time wandering.
Wandering means walking with no direction, going nowhere.
I love that word. Don't wander through your day. Have a tiny plan.
Tip 2. Use your small time.
During your day, you have small free moments. 5 minutes here, 10 minutes there.
Waiting for coffee, sitting in traffic, standing in line.
Most people scroll during these moments.
But you can learn English in these moments.
5 minutes of listening, 3 new words, 1 sentence of practice.
It sounds small.
But 5 minutes, 10 times a day, that is 50 minutes of English practice.
Without changing anything in your schedule.
Nothing. 0 schedule change. Just use the time you already have.
That's smart. Really smart.
Tip 3, and this one surprises people.
What is it?
Rest is not wasting time.
Oh, yes. This is so important.
Some people think every minute must be productive. Rest is lazy.
No.
Your brain is like a phone battery. If your battery is at 0, does it work?
No. It just dies.
You are the same. When you are exhausted, you can't focus. You can't learn. You can't do anything well.
Exhausted means extremely tired. More than just tired.
I am exhausted. She looks exhausted. We are exhausted.
But sleep, quiet time, a walk outside, these are not lazy things.
They are charging your battery.
And a full battery does everything better.
Rest is productive. Say that again.
Rest is productive.
Put that on your wall.
I want to say something important now.
Okay, I'm listening.
This episode is not about guilt.
Not about feeling bad.
We are not here to say, you are wasting your life, shame on you.
No, never.
We all waste time. Me, Jack, everyone.
Everyone. It's human.
The goal is not perfection. The goal is awareness.
Awareness means you see what is happening. You understand it.
When you are aware, you can choose differently.
One better choice today, then another tomorrow.
Small choices, every day. That is how life changes.
Not one big dramatic moment.
Just small, consistent, better choices.
Consistent means you do it again and again, not just once.
I am consistent with my English practice.
She is consistently amazing.
Stop it, Jack.
Just saying.
Everyone, you are here. You are listening. You are learning English right now.
That is not wasting time. That is investing time.
Investing means you use your time now to get something better in the future.
You invested your time in this episode.
And we are so proud of you for that. Quick vocabulary review. 5 words from today.
Word 1, waste.
To use something badly with no good result. I waste time. Don't waste your energy.
Word 2, scroll.
To move your finger up and down on a screen. I scroll on my phone. Mindless scrolling wastes time.
Word 3, regret.
The feeling when you wish you did something differently. I regret saying later too many times.
Word 4, exhausted.
Extremely tired. I am exhausted after a long day.
Word 5, consistent.
Doing something again and again, not just once. Be consistent with your English practice.
5 words. Say them out loud right now.
Waste, scroll, regret, exhausted, consistent.
Say them again with us, one more time.
Waste, scroll, regret, exhausted, consistent.
Beautiful. Your brain just got stronger.
Okay, everyone, here is your challenge for today.
Just one thing. Not 5, not 10. 1.
Tonight, check your phone screen time. See the number.
Don't judge. Just look.
And then ask yourself, what could I do with even 30 minutes of that time?
Just 30 minutes of English practice every day. And in 1 year, you will be amazed at your progress.
Amazed, I promise you.
Write your screen time number in the comments. Be brave, be honest.
We will be there reading every single one.
And if this episode helped you today, please give it a like.
Subscribe to Luma English Studio so you never miss an episode.
Share it with one friend who needs to hear this today.
Just one friend. You know who.
See you in the next one.
Bye, everyone. Your time is valuable. Use it well. And always be kind to yourself.